Hello friends, welcome to part 66 of Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the product filters, and in this part we are going to work on the brands filter via Ajax. So let's start. So we are going to take these steps that you can find under video as well to implement the brand filter for our Laravel listing pages, okay, in which we are displaying the products. Here you can see that we have done so far the color filter, size filter, as well as the sort by filter here at the top, but the price filter is pending. And in this part we are going to do the brand filter that we are going to add here, and after that we will also do the dynamic filters like the fabric filter, sleeve filter, pattern filter. We are going to do the separate logic for that, okay. So let's start with the brand filter in this part. So the first step is we are going to create the getBrands function in the product filter model. So I'm going to open the product filter model here, and in product filter, like we have earlier created the get colors function, get sizes function. Now we are going to create the function get brands function to get the brands of the products, okay. We are going to align it as well. So here you can see, first of all, we are going to fetch the product IDs of the categories that we have opened right now. Means like we have opened the men t-shirt. We are going to fetch the category ID of the men t-shirt and all the categories that belongs to the men t-shirts that are the child categories of that category. Like if I will open the men here, so I am going to fetch the category ID of men. I'm going to fetch the category ID of the men t-shirts as well. Or if I will open the clothing, then I'm going to fetch the men, women, and kids category ID and also the men t-shirts category ID. Okay, so all the associative category IDs we are going to fetch. So here you can see that we able to fetch the category IDs first of all, and from those categories IDs, we are going to fetch the brand IDs. So we are going to get the product IDs from these category IDs. Okay, you can see that we are going to fetch the product IDs, and after that we are going to fetch the brand ID from those product IDs, and from those brand ID we are going to fetch the brand names. Okay, and those brand names we are going to return. So this get brands function returns the brands. And now let's see the another step. We are going to update the filters blade file with the brand filters loop. So I'm going to open the filters blade file here, and I will modify the here. I'm going to add it new code for brand filter. Here I will loop through all the brands. Okay, so I will loop through all the brands. Here you can see, okay, we have used the for each loop, and we have displayed all the brands here, and we have displayed its value, and we have called that filter Ajax class, by which we are going to make our functionality, our Ajax functionality, our jQuery and Ajax functionality, by which the we are fetching the products according to those brands. Okay, so in the last step, we are going to add the brand filter in the apply filter that is located at the product service. So I'm going to update the product service here. Sorry, at the front. Here we are going to update this apply filters function, like we have done apply sorting filter, apply color filter, apply size filter. Now we are going to add apply brand filter. Okay, brand query is not required. Here I'm going to add apply brand filter. Okay, so it will fetch the brand, whatever the brand will come in URL, it is going to take that brand and will update the query. We are going to fetch, we are going to check that we are going to only display the product that belongs to that particular brand. Okay, so that's done. And now, yeah, one more thing, we are going to update Ajax products listing. Okay, so we are going to update the pagination so that we can add these parameters into other pages as well. Okay, if there are more products, then we are going to pass those sort, color, size, and brand, whatever we have done so far, to the next page. Okay, so we are going to modify this as well. So that's done. Now we are going to test. I'm going to refresh it once. So here I'm going to check. Okay, so brand name column, yeah, brand name column does not exist. Okay, so okay, so that's why this issue has come. We need to check. I think the name is the column for the brand, so that's why. Now we are going to rename the brand name to the name only here also. Okay, so now we are going to check here. The arrow brand is coming. Okay, so only one brand is coming as all the products we have added in one brand only. So I'm going to put one product in some other brand so that we can able to check it properly. So here I'm going to open the products here, and I am going to put one of the red t-shirt into some other brand. I'm going to select here the Gap brand and will update. So now I'm going to check here, two brands must come. Yes, Arrow as well as the Gap brand is coming. I'm going to select the Gap brand. I think some issue has come maybe. So we are going to check in console if some issue comes. I'm going to see brand model is required to be added at the top of the product service. We are required to add here the brand model at the top. Going to refresh it once again. Yes, one specific brand is coming that belongs to the Gap. Now we are going to try once again. Like if I will check the Arrow as well, all the brands products are coming now, both Arrow and Gap. Now once again I will check the Gap. Yes, Gap product is coming here. It's updating via Ajax without the refresh of the page. You can see if I will select the Arrow as well, then the all the products it is showing. If I will not show the Gap, then only the Arrow products are coming. Okay, let's test with the pagination. I am going to make it like paginate 2, only two products at one page. I'm going to refresh here. Yes, only two products are coming in one page with the arrow as selected, and third product will come in second page. You can see, yes, third arrow product is coming in the second page. So the filters are working with the pagination as well. You can see the brand filter is working fine with the pagination, and brand filter must also work with the other filters. Like if I will use the color filter, then you can see it is showing only the blue t-shirt with the arrow brand. Okay, so only one product is for the brand, this one is for the arrow brand. Okay, so the brand filter is working fine now, and you can implement this at your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.